ugly husband. You remember the first time you come through that stop, you slide for the suitcase. Are you doing the same thing now? Do it. Do it stop. You see him? Mad man. Mad man. Surprise! If the video don't do it, slide out then do it. You can't, fam. That was just a one-off when he was coming to Britain, fam. Ha ha. We are in London. Rara R.I.P. Yes. You have too much luggage, that bad.
Oh, Lord and ball. They say Broadcasting Commission. Broadcasting Commission responds to the radio and the TV. Them response for that. But them no response for YouTube, them no response for Instagram, them no response for Vivo, them no response to Spotify, them no response to Apple Music. They don't respond for none of these things. So, when people not understand, you know how we Jamaicans say, we just see something come out and we say, all kind of foolishness. Lady, we have to stress me out. When I tell you something, soon call you back. I'm going to clean my bathroom. I want you want my bathroom dirty. Zane? So, when I see people make up a bag of knives and I go on, you know, say, we not going to agree. People have to say what they want to say, but the artists, them don't really care now. Because people have got more view them thing. Because nowadays, artists, when last you hear an artist come on an interview on a radio station, them can't get an artist on a radio station. The way them artists are hype nowadays, them will go up on stage. On stage and entertainment report alone, them will go up on. But otherwise, from that, them no business about nothing else. Them now go around. Remember, said, if you don't notice, radio thing change now, you know. Because the whole of the top people, them really leave off a radio, you know. Kirk Riley left off of the radio a long time. Him still left on radio, but him not left on fame again. Liquid still run a zip, Chrome still run a zip. Nicky Z leave run a zip and they run a bridge. Bambino leave run a zip and him gonna fire. Ran Mushet left from run a Irie and him gonna run a one other part. Or if you see me on live and I call me, you're mad, can't do that. Somebody says some countries only something you can see on YouTube. Well, that is some country. Remember, Jamaica is a little small dot. Jamaica now have that something there for black YouTube. Jamaica now have that. See? Jamaica now have that. So when some people are jump up on a radio, them young people are not listening to no radio. One time gone when we younger, we used to hear about Anna Montana and them, the whole of them, and I listen. Nobody now watch that again. Right now you give a youth a tablet right now and the youth live them life. Certain show on Netflix, but you have other apps where you can see it pan. You have to remember we living in a world where the app are run the place. Remember say enough app me have. Me have enough app. So if Netflix block certain things, remember, so you come like you not understand what I go on. Once somebody download it on a fire stick and bring come give you. Yeah, alright. You're not business about nobody. You're not have to business about nobody. So when you see people go to and them are cuss and go on, sometimes we have to listen and compare and understand what I go on. You see me? This black enough. When them say them are black this or black that. Remember the people them will keep party and them are promote them party on the radio. Now artists now look the promotion on the radio. One time an artist used to crazy for go on the radio. No, Jamaica can't censor it online. You have too much things. Jamaica not gonna do that. Remember, say Jamaica, them say we is a third world country. But remember, say it's a competition. We have Flow and we have Digicel. A two phone company, we have Boya, we have one light company. See me? So we have two company where we give you internet. A two company we have to give you internet. And remember, say everything, if you see them, are going to censor. Or if you censor something, you're going to censor the hip hop song them. You can't censor that again. Because remember, when a man go buy music, you can't tell him what to listen, brother. A man buy music, and it now go back to the days where we have to wait for somebody to come, to bring something come give it. Remember, we go on Amazon now. Look how much shipping company we have now. You know, see a Sheena run the place. Everybody and them mama gone over Sheena, or what them want name. Everybody and them mama over Sheen. So like one time when Amazon say, yo, are we are the man? Amazon are the man say me, but Sheena run the place. Sheen take over the Caribbean. People are shop on Sheen till them favor Sheen. All aisle Sheen. So nothing now go black. Jamaica now black nothing. Let me tell you this. You see the Jamaica where we are look for, or the world where we are look for, we now go have it here. In our mind, or our dream, or our vision, we just have to just imagine and just go in our house and just make believe and say, oh my God, the world that we're living in. Jesus Christ, it's going nice and beautiful. We now get that here. The reality of life, we never ever get it. So, make us stop living an illusion. In a perfect world, you would have said, yo, me want to live in Dubai. You know what we never ever go to Dubai? You know far Dubai there from Jamaica? The closest we go to Dubai when we go one party named Dubai here. Not far away. Majority of it never go to Dubai. You have some people who live right next to Dubai. People who live in England never go to Dubai yet. Because I never say it's difficult for we get a lot of things. It's not easy for we get enough things. So that censorship something there and that's something that we are talking about. Look on it. You remember gone early days in America, you have Sprint where run the place, AT&T and T-Mobile. And right now you see everybody merging at one. Everybody want gone early days when you have a Sprint phone, when a Sprint are a provider. Everybody hate Sprint. Me hate lot of Sprint. Because Sprint, you look at my phone bill. Murder. Oh, yeah, you ball about your phone bill. Both mobile just come and go so. Pop, pop, pop. Just pay this and not look for nobody. Call anywhere in the world. And lick them chip. Them have to combine. Because remember Sprint used to cut off your phone. T-Mobile used to cut off your phone. Boost Mobile just say, give me that $30. Boost Mobile just come and say, give me $30 and go on about your business. And you call and tag right through unlimited everywhere. Text unlimited, everything. See? So, when we sit down and I say censorship and rape, black with censorship or with Jamaica? You look on the world where we are living in, you look on the Jamaica where we are living in. Yes. You have a lot of people still don't have cable. You have a lot of people still don't have cable, still don't have digital Wi-Fi because it has been proven when time the online schooling did go on. You know what? You never go on an online class. They didn't have a tablet. Their mother never have a smartphone. A school them used to rely upon a school that down for 2 weeks. So them youth there. Way back in a line, them gone back way down on one part. So, we now going to live for see that's something where we are look for and say, yo, everybody will be equal and everybody will be at one. You have some people that are dead for hungry and some people belly are full. It's sad, you know. But you have to remember, say, a business. Jamaica people just get up and they make a bag of nice, but they don't know if you make nice for. Remember last week, people are cuss over the demolition of the people in place. And this week, them are cuss about broadcasting commission, so they don't stick for one topic. Too much things they have to cuss about. To their next place, I cuss and I say road, this and that. We have always had a problem with roads. When rain fall, the road. Yo, I said, I dropped in a patrol of a Spanish town last week. I tell you, I wonder how I still have a car. I wonder how I still have a car. I not telling a lie. I biggest patrol. See? Now, if we just remember, say, how we are live right now, we have to just wake up and just, if we don't pray for God safe, pray for coming back safe. See? But we have too much things we have to cuss about. And a long time I tell people this. We have so much things to cuss about. But we have to cuss about one thing at a time. Cuss and get this fixed first, then cuss about something else. You can't cuss about everything. A lot of people, them say, oh, them not do nothing for this and them not do nothing for that, and everybody ignorant. It take one person to calm down. And when one person calm down and you go to the heads of whosoever run this thing and you reason with them. Because you don't get nowhere with vulgarity. You don't get nowhere when you're angry. Because being angry don't get things done. Because if you go fling stone and buckle, you can lose your rights and go to jail cost your money. See? So does that we have to look, man. Enough time we have rights in our anangit way, you know. See? Everybody in a Jamaica act rich. Act rich, you know. The rich people, them never act like them rich yet, you know. You see them rich because to how them live. Them have yacht out at sea. Like Michael Leachin, how much have we ever seen him? Like face to face, so when we can talk to him. Michael Leachin, him buy out CVM, him buy out the whole of one place, him buy out the whole of Jamaica. Michael Leachin, a helicopter him take up on film building. We never see him yet, him and never drive on road. We see him yacht down at Portland and say, Michael Leachin yacht that. Them man they rich. And I show you say, yeah. Him now come and try show you say, I want to some boy can chat to we look here. We wash your face with money. And I take money and I put the germs on our face. And I show some people, say, look on our table. See? And when they look on our table, they say, our table, rich with liquor. So everybody richness different. Some people rich in life, some people rich in few dollars, some people rich in wealth, some people rich in health. See me? But what type of riches you have? See? Because watch this. KFC raise 1 million times. What do you KFC say them take off $5 for them something? Nobody no ball. Nobody no ball. When KFC raise, everybody ball. But them ball and start dirty KFC, me hate them, me have to stop them chicken. The same man the same stop them chicken, see me? Right in a KFC in a line, a war over chicken, see me. Hey girl, yo, me there so long time, you know. Yo, the stinking girl over there, so yo, the girl, hey boy. Man, hey boy, know what you do. And you have a cost for food. And a long time, me know this, say careful of how you cost for food. And when you cost for food, people can't spit in your food. People can't shake you up with food. So you have to know. And if you go somewhere, you have to go war for the food. Left. Now care how much me love me pity them. Every day in a KFC line, I realize that I got a problem. I have to go drive out. Sorry, whole jerk chicken. When I get no KFC today, yeah? Whole jerk chicken and whole little Caesar pizza. All that have a nice life. And move from there. Me not cuss with nobody over no food. See? So me I say, the ban we're going right now, pan. I don't know what it's going to affect. I don't think it's going to affect no one at all. Because if you look at our smartphones, check how much app you can download, how much music app. YouTube now censor for them thing. YouTube can more black we are Jamaica. YouTube can more black us in Jamaica. So when them black with the whole Jamaica, we can still watch it on the TV because for the murder music still come on the TV. And we watch for the murder music. So we are kill our murder music, but we are celebrate other people murder music. We have sense, or we have so much sense. Oh, we have so much sense, people. We block our music, but to celebrate. Because if you listen to the radio, because I news me listen to radio still, you know. See? I wake them listening, you know. I listen to the news. And that alone I listen. Because gone are the days when we used to dine to listen to the radio. We have too much ways now of listening everything. We can listen everything in real time now. Everything we can listen in real time. We can watch the war we are going over Iran and Russia and them places. We can watch everything we are going. We don't have to wait for the news to say, we see which place we look right on our phone. As long as you block Instagram, then you can say, okay, we are get somewhere because we can't get the music out and you block. Everything where you block from where it will block everybody. So the ignorance where everybody get up on a cuss and a go on, does no say nothing now go change. You don't know sometimes a boss have to make him voice be heard and show say him is the boss. All when him wrong, you have to just still say, yeah man, you're the boss, man, everything good, man, you're right, bossy. So people, calm down. Calm down. Remember say you have one music where them call drill music now where I go on in New York and them say dangerous because the youth them a listen and kill off them one another. Zine? And the drill rapper them I go on with them thing. Them not business about a breakfast club. Them not business about a radio. Them not know say underground them there for them thing a come out. Zine? For them thing a come out and them a go up and for them stage show and I do them something. Zine? So we now get up and say we are go band. Remember say our music then our little part. We are going to still hear it. It are going to beat in a taxi them same way. It are going to beat in a people car same way. It are going to beat all about same way. So me the artist are going to post it on him video. This more going to help the artists them more than hurt them. Because when Baker them come out with something and Tapman them come out with something and Briscoe them come out with something. Social media. So everything change and the older version or the older heads them in a Jamaica. Them can shut down party if too much chopper song play. That not gonna happen still. Because the permit don't give out for the party. Them must say you can't tell a selector where to play at the party. Unless you keep the party. You see me? If you keep the party, you tell the man say the DJ where you play say you want to hear Jesus take the wheel. And you want to hear can't even walk without holding my hand. And you want to hear you makes me stronger. And you want to hear all of them songs there. That if it is your party, but there's no way you can go to a party and tell a DJ what to play. You can't go tell the DJ what to play. Nobody can tell the DJ what to play. Because if me there in one party and I play, you can't tell me what to play unless you pay me. You cannot. Because if you go tell me say you pay your money and this and that, me ask you how much you pay and give back your money for leave me alone. You see me? So it's just simple like that. It just all depends on who you go talk to. Because a selector, so my selector them licky, so I'm going to pay him to shut up. I see it happen enough time. Yo, me I pay you to stop talk. Me I pay you to stop play. So you have to just hold up your head and just know, say, yo, no you do. See? So, now we're going to sell about the band we are going. Because everybody have them opinion and today they're going to talk about something different. You know what Jamaica this will live, man. Remember Jamaica this will live, you know. Whole heap of things they have to talk about because so much things happen on a daily. I talk about the next thing. The people them we have no car in Jamaica. I know a lot of you are planning to buy no car. What's up, car? I know a lot of you planning to buy no car. On the first car because the loan soon finalize and when I go buy a car, you know, on the first car. First thing when you buy that car, make sure you drive it go to one of these checking places where they can check your vehicle for you. Because now, car stealing is at its highest in Jamaica. Underfit, Understream, Toyota, Wish, Nissan, whatever. Every car right now is an Iris. Every car is an Iris. They're stealing every car. One time gone they used to say a one set a man a thief car. One time gone they used to say a one set a man a bad man. Everybody bad now, everybody a thief now. So you just make sure you spend your money and pay your money for monitor your car. They can steal your car, but you will recover it quicker. Instead of you have to wonder say your car just miss without a trace. Your car just misses so. You go in your yard and you have to sleep and sleep with one eye open and look if them take your car. You see me? Because them bad like that. You go to a supermarket and come up back on the spot of your car, you see. So, go to a security company whether you want to go to King Alarm or you want to go to any one of these places. Kill switch alone can't help you. See? Just go on a warning. And your car where you go spend the money on and you go pay back the loan when the car thief same way you have to pay it back. So protect the car for protect you. Do me I beg you no. See? You have to protect your little car. Protect, I remember say, when you buy a car for you go, for you go, only look